생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 관광지에서 역사나 정보를 물어볼 때
Excuse me, could you tell me about the history of this artifact?
Sure, it has a long history and an interesting background.
Do you know its origin? Like where or how it was found?
It's from the ancient Silla dynasty. It was found near a temple and was likely made for royal ceremonies.
That's fascinating. What did it used to be?
It used to hold offerings during rituals. It also represented power and wealth.
Has it ever been restored?
Yes, it underwent careful restoration about 20 years ago to preserve its details.
Thanks for the explanation. You described it very clearly.
Glad to help. Let me know if you'd like to hear about other artifacts too.